first graders, today you're going to be reading nonfiction about the rainforest in PebbleGo. Let me show you how to log into PebbleGo and what to do once you get there. So PebbleGo can be found on my Canvas page, and it is the second link under e-learning, PebbleGo. The username and password are right here. Cherry Tree is the username and school is the password. And this is also on the learning slides for today. So you'll go ahead and click PebbleGo. When you get there, you'll sign in. Cherry Tree, username, school, password. Then select Go. Once you get to this screen, you'll go up to the white search bar and you'll type in what you are searching for. Today we are searching for tropical rainforest. That's what we're going to be learning about. You can see when we started to type it, it came up. So I'm going to go ahead and select it. And at this point, you're going to want to have your KWL chart in front of you because you're going to be writing down 2 new facts that you learn right here in the L section, 2 new facts that you learn about the rainforest from this PebbleGo. When you get here, you are going to click on each one of the tabs here at the top. There are 5 of them, and you're going to be listening to the information about the tropical rainforest. As we listen to this first part together, think about what you've learned about the tropical rainforest that you could write on your KWL chart.
Tropical rainforests are large areas of trees. They grow where it is warm and rainy all year. Rain falls almost every day. Rainforests are ecosystems full of plants and animals.
So maybe ecosystems was a new word for you. Maybe you didn't know that a rainforest is actually considered an ecosystem. So on your KWL chart, over here under the L, you could write rainforests are ecosystems full of plants and animals. Or maybe you didn't know that it rains almost every day in the rainforest. That would be a second fact that you can write. So you will listen to all of the tabs that are here. There are 5 of them. When you get to the purple at the end, there are some articles and books about the rainforest that you are welcome to read and listen to. And there's also a video right here about the rainforest. Okay? All right, friends, to recap, today you will be reading and learning about the tropical rainforest on PebbleGo. You will be writing at least 2 facts on your KWL chart about the rainforest. Now, at any time during our unit, if you run out of space on your KWL chart, the good news is I've included multiple copies of this chart. So anytime that you need more paper for writing down your learning, just grab a second copy of it or have your family make another copy for you. That's it, friends. Can't wait to see what you learn about the tropical rainforest today using PebbleGo.